Hello everyone, welcome back. This is vanAmsen, and today we are diving into a SQL problem titled confirmation rate. So our goal is to calculate the confirmation rate for each user in a system based on their signups and confirmation actions. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are given two tables, signups and confirmations. The signups table contains user IDs and timestamp of their signups. The confirmation table includes user IDs, the timestamp of confirmation request, and action performed on the request, either confirmed or timeout. So our task is to calculate the confirmation rate for each user, which is the number of confirmed messages divided by the total number of request confirmation messages. So if a user did not request any confirmation message, the confirmation rate should be 0. The results should be rounded to 2 decimal places, and we are going to solve this problem using SQL. So if null, round, sum, if, and count, and function in conjunction with the left join. So yeah, a lot of SQL statements. And first, we will left join the signups table with confirmation table on the user ID field, and this will ensure we consider all users from the signups table, even those who have not made any confirmation request. So next we need to calculate the confirmation rate. So we will use the sum and if function to count the number of confirmed actions for each user, and the count function help us to find the total number of confirmed requests, and the division of the sum by the count gives us the confirmation rate. So the if null function will ensure that if the denominator is 0, so no confirmation request made, we don't add up with a null value, but instead get a 0. So it's also good practice. So yeah, to use if null. And finally, we will use the round function to round the confirmation rate to 2 decimal places. So yes, let's start our coding of query or querying. So yeah, implementation. Select as user ID if null round sum, if C action confirmed 10 divided by count of C action to 0 as confirmation rate, and from sign up as left join confirmation as C on S user ID equals C user ID. So group by S user ID, and there you have it. The query is done. So let's test it if it's working. So it's quite bigger than usual, but it's a medium task. So yeah, here we can see quite easily that user 3 did not request. Yeah, so he have timeout. So that's why the response is 0. So it's correct. And user 7 have confirmed, so rate is 1, so as expected. And user 2 have 1 confirmed and 1 timeout. So basically it's 50-50. So that's why we have 0 half. So everything work. And yeah. So what we did, so the query starts with the select as user ID, and we are interested in user ID from the signups table. So next we have if null round sum, if set C action confirmed, so and divided by count of action, and as we store it as confirmation rate, And this complex expression calculates the confirmation rate as explained in the problem solving steps. So then we have from sign up as and left join confirmed. So this is the left join operation to have access to both tables. And lastly, we have group by as user ID to group result by each unique user. So, and that's it. So this problem is a great example of how manipulate SQL queries to calculate ratios. So let's test it for unseen test cases or hidden test cases. So yes, we have successfully passed. So it's most important and beats 32% of other results. So it's also good. We can even rerun to confirm that it's 32%. Sometimes it's like a bit different, but yeah. So we have even 37 on the second run. So even better. And yeah, I hope you like this video and know more about manipulation of SQL queries to calculate ratio, and it's also an excellent exercise in dealing with potential division by 0. So IFNULL is very important in SQL. So stay tuned for more SQL problem solving videos, and please like, subscribe for more SQL, and as usual, keep querying. Stay motivated. Happy coding. See you next time.